สวัสดีค่ะ In Thailand, we are in the middle of rainy season. While experiencing rain or storm or some kind of monsoon, you may wonder how to talk about rain in Thai. Let's have a look at some of those vocabularies today. This first one, ฝนตก. Let's have a look at each word. The word ฝน is rain in Thai. And the second word ตก is a verb meaning fall or falling. So the whole sentence here is just ฝนตก. ฝนตก. This equals it rains or it's raining in English. ฝนตก. It's raining. Simple as that. Now the second one is used when it sprinkles into tiny droplets. Now each word with its meaning is, again, ฝน, which means rain. ลง is a verb meaning go down or fall. ละออง is a noun meaning droplets. ละออง. And this last one you see here is called ไม้ยมก in Thai, or we can call it repetition mark. And this mark, when placed behind a word, means you have to repeat that word twice. So, in this phrase, you will repeat the word ละออง twice. ฝนลง ละออง ละออง. ฝนลง ละออง ละออง. Which means it's sprinkling in English. Have a look at this third one. In addition to the first two words, ฝนตก, which means it rains, we have an adverb หยิม, which is usually repeated. So you see here a repetition mark again after the word หยิม. This is an adverb meaning drizzly. So we say it ฝนตก หยิม หยิม. Repetition mark at the end. ฝนตก หยิม หยิม equals to it's drizzling. The fourth one, it rains. We've come to the fourth phrase of rain. Still starting with the word ฝนตก. An adverb พรำ meaning lightly for a long time. Again, it is repeated. And all together we say it ฝนตก พรำ พรำ, which means it's raining lightly for a long time. And this last one start with ฝน, which is rain, of course. The second word, the word หา, actually has several meanings. But in this phrase, it means a large portion of something. And this phrase ends with ใหญ่ the word ใหญ่ meaning large or big. So we say all together ฝนหาใหญ่ฝนหาใหญ่ meaning it's raining heavily. It's raining heavily. So now you know how Thai people talk about the rain in many ways. Keep following us on our Facebook page Learn Thai with ครูหนูอ้น Let's learn some more Thai words and phrases. แล้วพบกันใหม่ค่ะ See you again. วันนี้สวัสดีนะคะ